Yeah, man. Bacha man, what's a tanker? Almighty Jah for water, Jah for life, man. Water that grows flowers and quenches me with thirst. Sparkling springs. Hush double O, you make we live. Hush double O, you're full of life. Hush double O, you make we live. Hush double O, you're full of life. We flood again, Bacha. Water the elixir of life. Water grows and make nature happy. Water the place of feel we birth. Right. Water part of feel we body. Water part of the universe. Water belongs to picnic. Water make you live again. It'll go wash away your pain. Brothers and sisters, remember that we did born in a water. Yes, sir. Remember, friends, that 70% of it we body water. Definitely, man. The days we baptize in a water. Lord have mercy. We clean and wash, feel we body through water. Every day, man. Water the elixir of life. Water grows and make nature happy. Water the place of it we birth. Right. Water part of it we body. Water part of the universe. Water belongs to picnic. Water make you live again. It'll go wash away your pain. Hush double O, you make we live. Hush double O, you're full of life. Fairy springs, waterfalls, rivers and seas make of water. After all the great and mighty ocean and its majestic waves also water. We absorb feel with knowledge like water. And in at the end feel with pain wash away by the rain. Feel with tears also water. Tears of joy. After all drops of rain make a rainbow, a colorful bridge. Water the elixir of life. Water grows and make nature happy. Water the place of it we birth. Right. Water part of it we body. Water part of the universe. Water belongs to picnic. Water make you live again. It'll go wash away your pain. Hush double O, you make we live. Hush double O, you're full of life. Hush double O, you make we live. Hush double O, you're full of life.